Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello, adventurers. In this video, I will show how to play World of Warcraft on the ROG Ally. To begin your journey first, open your web browser on the Ally and download the battle. Net Client. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation and then install World of Warcraft through the battle. Net Launcher. A crucial step for smooth gameplay is to ensure your ROG Ally's controller mode is explicitly set to controller in its settings, not auto, to guarantee seamless input recognition. To truly enhance your World of Warcraft experience on the ROG Ally, seamless controller integration is key. Start by installing the CurseForge application, which is vital for managing your add-ons. Within CurseForge, search for and install the console port add-on. When prompted in the game's add-on settings, choose the Xbox layout, as it closely matches the Ally's controls. This powerful add-on will allow you to fully utilize your handheld's built-in controllers, making gameplay intuitive and enjoyable. Optimizing your in-game settings is crucial for a smooth experience. Set your display mode to full screen windowed and keep the render scale at 100% for clear visuals. For a noticeable boost in frame rates, disable vertical sync and ray traced shadows. To further enhance performance, especially in busy areas, lower your shadow quality, liquid detail, and SOW settings. You can also reduce environment detail and ground clutter to 1, which helps maintain a consistent 60 frames per second. For advanced control, consider creating in-game macros to effortlessly switch between gamepad and traditional keyboard and mouse modes. While console port is excellent, a small Bluetooth keyboard can be very handy for the initial setup of your spells and user interface. Don't forget to experiment with your ROG Ally's Thermal Design Power, or TDP, settings within Armory Crate. Adjusting this can help you find the perfect balance between performance and extending your battery life, allowing you to enjoy Azeroth on the go for longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.